Welcome to PlayQPlanet, where fun meets your brain. Can you guess the animal just by its sound? Let's find out. You've got 5 seconds for each one. Ready? Okay, here comes the first sound. Listen closely. Time's up. The answer is lion, the king of the jungle. Did you know? Lions live in groups called prides and can roar as loud as 114 decibels. Next question. What animal makes this sound? Quack, quack, it's a duck. Did you know? Ducks have waterproof feathers, like wearing a raincoat. This one's tricky. Are your ears ready? It's the mighty elephant. Did you know? Elephants can talk with their feet. They feel vibrations through the ground. Here comes next. This one lives underwater. Smart guess. It's a dolphin. Did you know? Dolphins sleep with one eye open. Let's start with this wild one. Listen and choose the right animal. And the right answer is monkey. Did you know? Monkeys love bananas, but some also eat insects and flowers. Before going to next question, subscribe this channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Okay, let's go. This one's from the farmyard. Ready? Moo! It's a cow! Did you know? A cow can produce over 6 gallons of milk per day. Time to take a swim or maybe a dive. Who's this? The croaky voice belongs to a frog. Did you know? Frogs drink water through their skin, no need for cups. This animal loves to gallop and neighs like this. Can you guess what it is? Did you guess horse? Well done. Did you know? Horses can sleep both lying down and standing up. How cool is that? This one's a pet that loves belly rubs. Listen to the sound. That joyful bark belongs to a dog. Did you know? Your dog can actually understand over 100 words. Final one. This creature hoots in the dark. Hoot, hoot. That's an owl. Did you know? Owls can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees. How many did you get right? Tell us in the comments below and challenge your friends too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more quiz-tastic fun, only on PlayQPlanet. Thank you for watching.